Nice one.
I won, yay.
Oh.
I'm wet. Yay. Hey, stop there.
Come on, HJ, you can do it.
Got it. Oops. Man. Man. No.
Good. Let's go see these boys. Wait.
I have one more thing to show you.
Hey, what's going on over here?
Hey, that's
Tell me a story. I'm making a video. But tell me a good joke. Mitchell. Bye, Ben.
Hi.
See you later. Can't wait to see Mitchell go get Ben.